Self-healing glass revolution. A revolutionary new type of glass can heal itself when it breaks, making shattered screens a thing of the past. Imagine dropping your phone and watching the cracks disappear right before your eyes. This self-repairing glass uses a unique chemical process that allows it to automatically mend any cracks or breaks within minutes. The secret lies in its special polymer makeup, which responds to damage by triggering a rapid healing reaction. Unlike traditional glass, which is brittle and prone to shattering, this innovative material is designed to maintain its integrity even under stress. This means fewer trips to the repair shop and more peace of mind for all your electronic devices. Think of the endless possibilities: smartphones, tablets, even car windshields that can all repair themselves, saving consumers not just money, but also the frustration and inconvenience of dealing with broken glass. This breakthrough has the potential to transform industries and redefine durability standards. As research progresses, we might soon see this self-healing glass integrated into a wide range of products, making our everyday lives more resilient and hassle-free. Stay tuned for more updates on this game-changing technology.